Today we're going to look at the different members of the family and how to use the possessive S. I'd like you to meet Amy. Amy is 16 years old. Amy has one sister called Melanie. Amy's sister is 12 years old. Amy's sister means the sister of Amy. Amy has one brother called Paul. Amy's brother is 10 years old. Amy's brother means the brother of Amy. Amy's mother is called Vanessa. Amy's father is called Tom. Together, Amy's mother and father are her parents. Vanessa has a brother called Alex. Alex is Amy's uncle. Uncle means the brother of your mother or father. Vanessa has a sister called Margaret. Margaret is Amy's auntie. Auntie means the sister of your mother or father. Tom was an only child. Only child means a child who has no brothers or sisters. Vanessa's mother is called Tina. Tom's mother is called Kelly. Tina and Kelly are Amy's grandmothers. Your grandmother is your mother's mother or your father's mother. Vanessa's father is called Richard. Tom's father is called Jake. Richard and Jake are Amy's grandfathers. Your grandfather is your mother's father or your father's father. Tina and Richard, Kelly and Jake are Amy's grandparents. Grandparents are your parents' parents. Margaret is married to Mike. Mike is Margaret's husband. Margaret is Mike's wife. Mike and Margaret have 2 children. Their son's name is Benjamin. Their daughter's name is Sarah. Benjamin and Sarah are Amy's cousins. Cousin is male or female. Benjamin is Vanessa and Tom's nephew. Nephew means the son of your brother or sister. Sarah is Vanessa and Tom's niece. Niece is the daughter of your brother or sister. Now listen and repeat the words after me. Brother, sister, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, auntie, uncle, niece, nephew, cousin, only child, parents, grandparents. The possessive S. We use the possessive S to indicate when something belongs to someone. When learning about Amy's family, you heard Amy's mother. The possessive S or apostrophe S tells us that this is the mother of Amy. Amy's cousins. The possessive S tells us that these are the cousins of Amy. They belong to Amy. Now let's look at the rules. We use the apostrophe S after singular nouns, but we use the S and then the apostrophe after plural nouns. Here are some examples. The student's homework. Here we have student apostrophe S. This means that the homework belongs to one student. Instead, if we have the plural noun, we add the apostrophe after the S. The student's homework. In this example, the homework belongs to two or more students. So the position of the apostrophe can change the meaning of your sentence. However, don't worry, because in conversation, the pronunciation is the same. We use apostrophe S for irregular plural nouns. What's an irregular plural noun? Well, what we mean is a noun where we don't add S to make it plural. The example child. Child is singular, but to make child plural, we don't say childs. We say children. So with this example, we would write children apostrophe S. Children's. The children's party was a lot of fun. Another example of an irregular plural noun is woman. We don't say woman's. The plural form of woman is women. So we would write women apostrophe S. Women's. International Women's Day is on the 8th of March. Now, what should you do if the name of the person finishes with S? When a name ends in S, such as James, we have two options. The first option is simply to put the apostrophe after the name James. James house. The second option is to write James apostrophe S. And so we would actually pronounce it as James's house. Now, please be careful. It is not very common for an object to possess another object. We would say the oven glove and not the oven's glove. The phone charger, not the phone's charger. Now see what you can remember. Who is Paul? Amy's brother. Who is Melanie? Amy's sister. Who is Vanessa? Amy's mother. Who is Tom? Amy's father. Who are Vanessa and Tom? Amy's parents. Who is Alex? Amy's uncle. Who is Margaret? Amy's auntie. Who is Tina? Amy's grandmother. Who are Richard and Jake? Amy's grandfathers. Tina, Richard, Kelly and Jake are Amy's grandparents. Benjamin and Sarah are Amy's cousins. Practice what you have learned today by writing about your family in the comments below, and I will respond to you. Don't forget to like this lesson and subscribe. Oh, and turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss another English lesson from me.